Time to get ready for some dangerous heat that's coming our way. Evelyn Taft is breaking down a next weather alert as those temperatures skyrocket over the next couple of days. Eva had to double check the calendar, make sure it actually was still March right now.
Right? Yeah, I would think it was maybe August. And even for the summer, Gio, it's hot. That's what's so unbelievable. The calendar was right. And here's the thing, it's still winter out there, which is pretty unreal as well. We're looking at temps about 20 to 30 degrees above average for this time of year. As we take you to downtown, clear skies. We saw temperatures in the 70s today. Got warmer, but it's set to get a whole lot warmer over the days ahead. So let's take a closer look at some of those numbers, and you will see mid to upper 90s as we head to Orange County. So quite warm as we move into tomorrow. Very warm day all around. As we check in right here, you will see mid to upper 90s. Again, that's for LA County. That's very warm for this time of year. As we check in with the coast, we could see numbers already up to 90 degrees as we move into tomorrow. So even the coast expecting very hot heat in the forecast. So let's take a look at the rest of our forecast right here, and you will see a nice evening ahead. A major warm up tomorrow. So it did get a little warmer today. It's a lot warmer tomorrow. We're approaching 100 degrees by Thursday and Friday. Could even hit the century mark potentially. Still hot as we move into next week. So let's take a look at your next weather alert right here for Thursday and Friday. Again, potentially record breaking heat across Southern California tomorrow and Friday. This is where the heat is really on, and we are declaring a next weather alert for tomorrow and Friday because of the heat. Again, it's potentially dangerous heat. We're looking at numbers, again, well above average for this time of year, 20 to 30 degrees to be exact. So a cool evening overnight. We do get down to the 50s, the 60s, and by tomorrow afternoon, we're up to the 90s. 96 downtown, 96 Fullerton, 94 in Chino, and 90 in Claremont. And a look at your upper atmosphere pattern right here. The 90s really starting to settle in tomorrow and Friday, along with the potential for triple digits as high pressure continues to really linger. We've got a little bit of a cooling trend this weekend, but really modest, if you will. Temperatures continuing to stay well above average through next week. We're sticking with the 90s and staying that way. You'll see in your extended forecast in just a moment here for quite a while. 75 today in downtown. By Friday, we're expecting a high of 97, which is, again, hot for summer, and we're still in winter. 90s every single day for the next 7 days. This is highly unusual for the month of March. And again, still technically wintertime. We're not even in spring yet. So after the next weather alert, we are declaring a next weather watch. We're continuing to watch the warm numbers. Could upgrade it to an alert certainly as we move through the weekend and next week. Again, unusually hot conditions. The IE in the 90s hitting the triple digits come Tuesday, and still quite warm, not as hot, but in the mid 90s by Wednesday. We're going to take you to the beaches, show you if you can, in fact, cool down there. Coming up in just a little bit, but right now, Gio, back to you.
Saving up a lot of water. Thank you.